YouTube, what's going on? This is JT back in my garage time. Back in my garage time. Back in my garage time. Back in my garage time.
Hey guys, welcome back to I Need My Garage Time. Today my dad received a goodie box from Model Roundup, and inside this box is Dom's 71st Plymouth GTX Fast and Furious. This is a Revell kit 1/24 scale. This kit was purchased from the Scratch and Dent tab on modelroundup.com. We'll put the link in the description below. So I'm going to let my dad take it from here.
Hey, what's up, everybody? This is JT. Welcome to I Need My Garage Time. All right, like my baby told y'all, this is a Fast and Furious kit from Model Roundup. I was playing around on modelroundup.com and I saw they had a scratch and dent tab. So I clicked on it and they have some nice stuff on there. And I chose this Fast and Furious kit. It was only $22. Good buy. It said it had on there that it had a damaged box. So I was thinking that it was already opened up, but it's wrapped, it's sealed, unless they did it, unless they resealed it at the store, at the location or the store. But this is the only thing that was wrong with the box, which is they sell them in the store like that. Sometimes they'll be damaged. But anyway, they have a scratch and dent tab on Model Roundup. The link will be in the description. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and tear into this and see what's in it. So y'all hang on just a second. All right, guys, let's let the unboxing begin. There we go. All right, so first we have our windshield and back glass, along with some headlights. I think this called a double. Yeah, it's a double headlights. So there's all our headlights, and look like we might have two fog lights here at the bottom. You like Fast and the Furious, Kay?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. You like the movie? Okay, y'all. So here it is, the body of the 71 Plymouth GTX. Here it is. It already has the battery in it, and a reservoir, maybe a coolant reservoir, a wiper reservoir. And you already have your firewall in there. We have your door handles molded into the body, along with the GTX right here. We have our light molded into the body. We have, I guess this may be for the spoiler here, the brackets for it. Trunk latch, same thing for this side. All right, so we have two sets of tires alike, since it's a 2-in-1 kit. So here, this may be some stock tires. So they don't have anything on it. It's just regular rubber, nothing on it. There's one bag that didn't get opened up. Here. All right. So here are the street tires, or aftermarket tires. They're low profile. Like to tread on. Low profiles. I already know I'm going with the box art. That would defeat the purpose of getting the kit. All right, so on this tree here, we have the subframe. We got our gas tank already molded. And here's the seats. And it looks like it may be, yeah, here's the seats. This camera been really having a hard time focusing. And I hope y'all can hear me too. I'm supposed to be ordering a microphone, so you guys will be able to hear me better. Someone told me they weren't really able to hear me, so I'm trying to get it to where they'll be able to hear me. So here's the wheels. They're gonna have to be painted. Look like on the actual car there. They're like aluminum. So here's your front suspension and your wheel backs with the sport rotors and brake calipers. All right, so we got some engine parts here. Let's look at this dash first. And there's our dash. There's our radiator. Here we have we have our water pump and timing chain cover. Here we have I guess this maybe the back bumper, maybe. I guess. I don't know. Front grille. No, it might be for the lower part of the front grille. There's our wheel, fan. We got some cooling hoses here. You all right? We have our exhaust system here, dual exhaust. We got a dry shaft. Here's our rear end. Belt and pulley assembly. What else we got here? All right, there goes that interior. Door panels, floor console. Bless you. There's an engine and transmission. Look like we have another front suspension here. Well, I guess it may be for the stock. I don't know. It's another front suspension. There go your steering column. Here's your head here. That's the other part of the transmission. This is look like some bumper fillers or something, maybe for the back. Here's the intake. Here's your spoiler right here. And this looks like something that may go on the firewall. Here's your bracket for your breather, I believe. I don't think I can see that being. Yeah, looks like it. All right, so here goes the hood. There's another intake. And here's another set of wheel backs. All right. So we got our chrome tree. And there's our other set of wheels. And they do not look bad. That's a nice set of wheels, and boy, them boys are shiny. There's that GTX stylish grille, double headlights, chromed out. Of course, we're going to put Tamiya black accent paint in it. There's that back bumper I've been trying to get to. And there's the carb cap lid. Let's see what these here are. They look like there may be some cars. Why it's got to be 3 of them? Here's the mirrors. We have our shifter here. We got the this thing don't want to focus, but anyway, there's our rearview mirror. There's our alternator. Man, and all these kits they always make the alternator chrome. Here's another option for the carburetor cap. And this might be. I think this is a single carburetor right here, and these are 3 different. These go together. Look like it. There's your valve covers. It's a nice little kit. Look like it's gonna be pretty easy. Where's the decal sheet? Don't have a decal sheet. Oh, take a look at this. Little bitty decal sheet. Little bitty. It's a little bit of decal sheet, right, Kay?
Yeah.
All right, so what do we have here? GTX logos, your gauges, your amber and red lights. Look like maybe door locks for the trunk. I have no idea what that is. I can't see it, and I probably won't use it. I have no idea what 1011 is for. 440, 446 barrel. New York plate. Shout out to my people in New York. There's your hood pins right here. All right, so that's it. Never seen a decal sheet this small, but okay. All right, let's look at the instruction right quick. How many minutes? I'm 10 minutes in the game. All right, so y'all never did tell me if it was necessary for me to show y'all the instructions, but I don't care. I'm gonna show it to y'all anyway. There's the there's the engine setup. There's your wheel setup. I want to see how challenging it's gonna be for me to paint these wheels a two-tone. We'll see what happens. I never had to paint no wheels before. But there's your rear end on the chassis. Motor assembly. Your dash. I mean, of course, we already know that the steering column goes in the dash and the wheel goes on the steering column. Seats. Interior. I think this might be the most challenging part is trying to paint those wheels two-tone, but everything else, I got it. It's going to look just like the box art. That'll be my third box art mock. And the headlights. There's that bumper along with the fog lights. And those are bumper fillers right here that I mentioned. It's just for the front. There's your carb. Hood. And this is the decal side. Let's look at something right quick. Yep. There's the triple carburetor right there. And you also have the option to do the, let's see if it shows it. It don't show it, but yeah, you got the option to do the single carburetor if you want to. All right, y'all. So that's it. That's all for this kit. And we're going to close this video out because we got another one we getting ready to do, right, Kay?
Yep.
All right. So, all right, y'all. That's it. That's all. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. We out.
We out.